feeling tired, distracted, and unmotivated, it might not be your routine. It might be lust draining your brain. Let's expose what it's really doing to you and how to take your power back. This is Team Darkrise, where the weak break and the strong rise. Lust kills your focus. Every time you give in to lust, watching explicit content, endless scrolling, or craving attention, your brain gets a dopamine hit. That feels good for a moment. But over time, you become numb to simple joys. Reading a book, boring. Studying hard, building something meaningful, impossible. You've trained your brain to chase short-term pleasure, not long-term success. Ask yourself, how many minutes or hours do you lose very weak to lust? That's your focus. Gone. Lust steals your energy. Lust doesn't just waste time. It drains your life force. You feel tired, lazy, weak. Why? Because your brain is overloaded. You're overstimulated, but undermotivated. It's like revving a car engine while parked. Lots of noise, zero movement. And after every hit of lustful distraction, guilt, regret, low energy, repeat. This loop is the enemy of greatness. You don't rise by wasting your energy. You rise by protecting it. What happens if you don't stop? Broken focus, low motivation, shaky confidence, wasted potential. Years later, you'll look back and wonder why you didn't change earlier, but not you. Because if you're still watching this, you're different. You're not here to survive. You're here to rise. In the next episode, we'll talk about why NoFap alone won't save you and what actually works. If this hit, drop a comment, subscribe, and share with a brother who needs this. Team Darkrise, where the weak break and the strong rise.